Welcome to our channel. Registering for the SAT is your first step toward college admissions testing. Follow these step-by-step instructions to register online through College Board. Step 1. Create a College Board account at collegeboard.org if you don't already have one. Click Sign Up and provide your email address. Create a password and enter basic personal information. Step 2. Complete your student profile with accurate information including your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, date of birth, address, and high school information. Step 3. Click on SAT in the main navigation menu and select Register for the SAT. Review the current test dates and choose one that aligns with your college application timeline. Step 4. Select your preferred test center location. College Board will display available centers near your zip code. Most students test at high schools within a reasonable driving distance. Step 5. Choose whether to take the SAT with or without the optional essay section. Note that most colleges no longer require the essay, so check your target school's requirements before deciding. Step 6. Add any additional services you need, such as the Student Search Service, free, which allows colleges to find you, or score reporting to send scores to colleges. Step 7. Upload a photo that meets College Board requirements. The photo must show your full face clearly and will be used for identification on test day. Step 8. Review all registration details carefully and pay the registration fee using a credit card or fee waiver if eligible. You'll receive a confirmation email with your admission ticket. Print the ticket and bring it with an acceptable photo ID on test day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.